Face Swap Magic is an entertaining Android application designed for photo editing, specifically focusing on the ability to swap faces and images. This app enables users to easily create fun and humorous photos by seamlessly replacing one person's face with another's within a picture. The application typically employs advanced facial recognition technology, allowing for accurate and natural-looking swaps that maintain the original photo's quality and lighting. Users can select photos from their gallery or capture new ones directly within the app, making the process quick and convenient. Features often include various filters, stickers, and customization options that enhance the final output and add a creative flair to the swapped images. Additionally, Face Swap Magic may offer options for sharing creations directly on social media platforms, enabling users to share their amusing edits with friends and family. Overall, Face Swap Magic is a fun and user-friendly app that encourages creativity and humor through face-swapping capabilities, providing endless possibilities for digital expression and entertainment.